Hey folks, this is Bob Desmond over the Contrarian Trader. It is Tuesday the 17th and we are looking to possibly open up a short in Herbalife, symbol HLF. But a couple of caveats on this even before we get into the short. This is very, very high risk stuff. Very heavily shorted, and if it didn't have to me anyway, a predefined stop loss point where I'd be entering that stop, I wouldn't even think about entering the trade. But we know what our logical stop loss point is, and we know when we want to get involved. So if you take a look, we rallied up to 77.39, pulled back, beautiful rally. I went over this with my members over on the weekend commentary with them on the weekend, and I said this is a potential short into resistance. It rallied big on Monday. You could see that sellers came in at resistance at 77.39. People wanted to get made whole, no shock there. And they sold shares off of their highs. Fast forward to today being the 17th, and they tried to rally it higher, which they did in fact, but it's backed off some, and we have another topping tail. This stock could easily trade back higher. As a matter of fact, let's go take a look at a 30-minute chart. It could easily trade back towards the highs of the day. And even if you're not a member, I would be remiss if I didn't say how much risk there was involved with shorting this stock and how easily it could rally back and just put in a new high on the day. So please respect the stock, no doubt about it. The high of the day is 78.55. We've pulled back considerably, and we're bouncing around here at 74.62. It could consolidate and rally into the close. So I wouldn't even think about making this trade until later on in the day once I know the coast is clear, if not possibly even tomorrow. Take a look at these slow stochastics. They could hook back up easily. So again, just please be real careful. And even when you take a look at it on a weekly basis, the weekly charts, I go over this all the time with my members, weekly charts speak volumes. You need to take a step back, look at the charts from a 30,000 foot view. That's what the weekly, monthly charts teach you. Not the daily charts, they're far too volatile. I'm not a big day trader, so the intraday charts really just mess me up. I like to be able to step back, take a look at the weekly, monthly charts, and analyze. And this chart tells me that if we break out above 77.50, we're going considerably higher. However, we're not there yet. So you can pretty much guess what my logical stop loss point would be. So in short, pardon the pun, we're looking to open up a short position. Take note of the choppy action on the Stoch RSI, a potential lower high on the slow stochastics, and a potential bull trap on MACD. So I'd be real careful getting long of this one too. I certainly wouldn't long it. Not unless we get a breakout. And if we do get that breakout, we just may be buying it. Not emotionally involved here, folks. Just looking for good opportunities to make money. So that's it in a nutshell. Looking at a reversal of the highs of the day, topping tails 2 days in a row at resistance. We could be short of the name by the end of the day. I'll be sending out a trade alert to members. If you watch this on my blog or Facebook, please like me. If you watch this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you want free trading lessons, subscribe to my opt-in email. I hate spam too. Have a profitable trading day, folks.